Boom, boom, boom. Are you ready to go all out? Are you ready to dive into that full glam look that's like bold? We'll stick around.
Hey baddies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Nospios Tole, and if you are new to my channel, welcome. And I hope you enjoy what we have in store. So basically, we are all things beauty and fashion, and today we are doing this glam look. And I'm very happy about this look because there's certain things that I wanted to try out from like other YouTubers that they've been trying out, and I'm definitely gonna tag them below because the inspiration is mwah, like look at this, the inspiration is amazing. So yeah, stay tuned. Please don't forget to like my video, and to those who have been watching, to my baddie squad, thank you so much for your support. I've been seeing the growth, and yeah, we're on the road to 500 subscribers. So please watch the videos and subscribe, tell your friends, comment below, tell me what you like, tell me what you don't like, and definitely constructive criticism is welcomed because this is a fun journey, and yeah, we want to have fun with it, and we want to see what you guys have to say about what we bring to you. So yes, stay tuned for this video and watch the first part, which is my everyday glam, and you'll definitely get some inspo there because it's kind of cute. It's like a cute summery everyday going to the mall but wanting to really look cute kind of look. I don't know, but yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on those notification bells. Love you, and stay tuned for this video. So first things first, you guys need to forgive my red eyes. I just shot a part 1 of this video so you guys can actually check it out. It is basically everyday glam look, and I really like that video actually. I thought I wasn't gonna be able to do like an everyday glam look like that, but I am very happy with what I created there. So you guys can check it out and see what you like between these two videos. So first things first, yo, I can't believe my eyes are so red. And the craziest part is I wear glasses, and I can't even wear glasses while I do makeup. That's the tricky part. So contact lenses are gonna need to be a thing, and I don't know how I feel about that, but I need to keep going, so I can't let makeup ruin this flow. Anyways, so first things first, I've already started off with my skincare routine, and then now I'm just gonna apply a moisturizer. I've already also shaved some of the hair of my face off, so it just creates a more smoother base for you to apply makeup. And yeah, I just like it. I like it a lot. Alright, now that I've put this stuff on, I'm gonna go directly into my skincare routine. So first things first, I'm gonna start off with my favorite 2 primers, and this one first because it's more water-based, and then this is the Hydrating Jelly Grip. I just love how it takes the foundation and all the products in a way that just like hides the pores but sits right on top of it. I just like it, yeah. And it's very hydrating, so it's amazing. So yeah, I'm gonna go in with that. And remember guys, I always apply setting spray at every single step of my routine just to make sure that I'm getting a more exact preview of what I'm trying to blend out, you know, because sometimes that setting spray really does set the makeup in, so you get to see, am I doing too much or am I doing too little? So let's go in with that.
So first things first, when you're doing a full glam look, obviously after all the prepping that you've done with your skincare, is to actually go in with a good primer. So I want to actually do another video where I try a different kind of primer because I really want to see the blurring effects of certain other primers and see how those work out for me. So yeah, just spread that out. And now I'm going in with my second primer. It's more of a jelly grip, and I just love the feeling of it with my foundation. It just sits so well and it really hydrates my skin. So yeah, just spread that around, let it dry out a bit, and then the queen the creme de la creme of everything for me is to always go in with a fixing spray, setting spray, whatever it is. It really helps define the different lines of your makeup, the pigments, and just helps it blend out easier so that you don't look cakey. So yeah, always go in with the beauty blender to just push that product in. And then now we're doing our eyebrows, and I don't want to rush into this. I don't know, I feel like I'm rushing into this. Okay, let me just cool it down. So yeah, now we're gonna go in with our eyebrows. I love the Got2b gel because it really keeps my eyebrows in place. But definitely, if you guys want me to see another product and see how it works out, you can definitely do that. So yeah, you can tweeze out your eyebrows, you can do whatever you can do to make them into the shape that you actually desire, and then yeah, comb that out. So we're going in with our 2 concealers to basically shape out, sculpt out those eyebrows. So try your best to do a good outline, like you know when you were a kid and like your teacher would say color in the blocks or whatever, you know, don't go outside the line. So outside the line would be inside the brow. Don't go ahead of the markings you've already made. So try and keep it together with the shape that you want. So yeah, some girls like it with no wings, some girls like it like completely thin. So whatever you like, whatever floats your boat, you can definitely achieve it. Just make sure you sculpt it out first. So I actually forgot to draw out my eyebrows first, but that's okay because I feel like I'm in a position where I can definitely know how to handle my pencil and go right into it. So this is a step you'd actually do first, just to help you give pigment to your eyebrows if you feel like they're not that strong or that bright. So yeah, just to give it that extra color, and it also helps you mark out the line. So yeah, I'm going back in with my concealer. So in the wing of my concealer right underneath, I like to actually go in with a lighter color just to make the outside pop. It's definitely 2016 makeup, but look, I'm not letting go of 2016 makeup no matter what anyone says. I love the clean girl looks. I did literally a first part of it, so you guys can check out that video, and please like it, let me know how you feel about it. But yeah, I am a full 2016 full glam kind of girl, so I actually enjoy making these kind of videos from time to time because yeah, I really love them. I love them. So we're gonna blend that out, and then now I'm gonna go in and do my eyeshadow, and I like to go in with this primer. So I'm not gonna show my eyeshadow look or how I did it. If you guys want to see that, let me know in the comments below. But yeah, blend that out and get it on.
Alright, so I've already done my eyelashes and I've already done my eyeshadow, and one of my finest tricks is to actually use tape just to make sure that you keep everything lined up, especially with the eyeliner. You never want to mess that up. Let me actually see what it looks like. All right, I'm happy. So now I'm gonna go in actually with another layer of a setting spray. Okay, so after I put on my setting spray, I'm gonna go in with, let me see. So this is my spot corrector, and I'm gonna just try and cover up all the dark marks and hyperpigmentation in my skin.
So, yes, we've done a lot of blending with our eyebrows, but I feel like I have to emphasize this point. You know, when you're doing your makeup, you have to definitely make sure that whatever it is that you are intending to do, like right now, I'm doing my spot corrector, I'm trying to hide my blemishes, I'm trying to hide my hyperpigmentation, I'm trying to hide my dark, shadowy spots. So, I'm going to keep that product and blend it into those areas and not spread it around my whole face, so that now when I'm putting on my foundation, I don't look full on red as well. So yeah, go section by section with your foundation. Don't overdo the thing. Don't put too much product. You can always build on it, because remember, we put setting spray in every step. So yeah, you can definitely always build on it. But watch out for other foundations like the Estee Lauder. The Estee Lauder foundation tends to actually stick really hard in the face. So even if you try to apply more product, it kind of like blotches and leaves marks. So yeah, be wary for that, and always hydrate your face. It always helps out, even with the toughest of foundations. It really does. So now we're contouring our face, and I'm trying to literally create shadows. So contouring is to specifically create shadows on your face that create a particular look. It sculpts your face. So I'm trying to pinch in those areas. I'm trying to pinch in my nose. So basically to contour the face. So yeah, don't forget to also blend that out very well, because you want it to look sort of diffused in together or merged in together. You don't want to see the separation lines of the different foundation tones. So I learned this part late, actually, that like if you take your contour, when you're contouring your nose, and you take that darker foundation right up into your eyebrows, it creates that natural halo straight nose effect. So if you guys can do that, I've seen some other makeup artists that do that, but they do that first and then they do their eyebrows later. So yeah, that's a definite hack. So always make sure you blend in. I really love the feel of a beauty blender now. I think I'm a beauty blender girl now, you know? I love a nice, cool, cold beauty blender. It sucks the product and disperses it so amazingly. I just love it. So we're gonna go in with our highlights. So what we're doing right now, so as you can see that I'm using different shades, but because I'm doing a full glam look, I want these shades to really pop out. So I really want to see the different contrasts of the concealer colors. So I'm gonna go in with a super lighter one in the inside of my eyes. Um, and then go in with a more warmer kind of shade, just to sculpt out what I'm trying to highlight or bring out the most. So highlighting is basically the parts that you really want to shine, the parts that you really want to be seen, and yeah. So after you've let the product sit in it for like a little while, so that's also another hack. So right after you've applied the product, I would say blow out your face a bit and then apply the fixing spray or the setting spray, and then let the product actually kind of sit in, let that color oxidize a bit, and so you know what exactly you're blending out, so that you just don't go in and the color just merges in a weird way, because that can really happen, and then you just look ashy. We don't want to look ashy, you know. So yeah, blend that out and then go in with like a highlighter kind of shade, like a light shade, just to set um that concealer in. And yeah, so before you go in with other stuff, make sure you just set that in, you know. So now I'm going in with my blush. I really love this She Glam blush. I really love the She Glam makeup bits because of the way that they blend out. I think it's hassle free and I just love it. Yeah. So this is also a She Glam product. It's the banana powder, and I'm gonna bake my face. So basically, baking your face is to make sure that you are canceling those fine lines, you are blurring that face, you are just, you know, mattifying the face as well, making sure that the product or the translucent powder or pigmented powder absorbs that excess product and brightens the face. So yeah, it really also helps the makeup last. So it's an amazing step. Please don't forget it. Now, I was thinking of doing like, because I'm doing a pop of color and I was really having fun with this makeup, I decided let me just do a red lipstick. So I'm gonna go in with a red liner, but because of the shade of my skin, I find that when I go in with a darker pencil as well, it just brightens everything up in a very nice way, and it makes the red lipstick blend in very nicely with my skin color. Look at this red. This red is so sexy. This red is so fun. This red is just popping. Like, I can't even fight it. So I'm just gonna basically apply the lipstick, and then I'm gonna do another coat. So right after I do another coat of the lipstick, I'm gonna go in with the pencils again, just to accentuate that line. And then I'm gonna go in with neatening the lip up with concealer, and then blend that out to make sure it's neat.
So basically, that's the look. I don't know. I'm feeling like it feels good. I'm not gonna lie. It does feel good. It doesn't feel weird or messy or anything like that. Yeah, I like this look. I really do. I like this look. I like this look. Yeah, no, I like this look. So yeah, guys, please let me know what you guys think of this look. Don't forget to like, to subscribe, and turn on those notification bells so you can know when I post the next videos. And comment, guys, comment. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you're feeling. Let me know where you stand with this, you know? Like, look at this. What does Uche say? It's like the creme de la creme of makeup. Look at this. You know, I'm loving this look.